Hey, this is Mike again with J&M Reviews. Today I'm reviewing the Lego Brickheadz Obi-Wan Kenobi and Darth Vader Lego set. It's really cool if you're a Star Wars fan. This is when Obi-Wan Kenobi fought Darth Vader. So on the spaceship and the first movie of Star Wars. So yeah, so you have his outfit here. You can see here on the side a little picture there of them fighting. So it's pretty cool. And this is number 40547. So, and Darth Vader's number 175, Obi-Wan's number 174. So this one's not open, it's still in the box, but you can see what it looks like on each side. So there you go. You have either side, all the sides. So it's pretty cool. If you're a Star Wars fan, you definitely want to check this out. I like that it also comes with like the little lightsabers, which is pretty cool. So it has the little Lego sabers. You can see them here in another angle. So and the outfits are just spot on, just like they are in the movie. So yeah. So hope you check it out if you're a Star Wars fan, and hope it was helpful.